everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to make count up and countdown timer just using Geometry Nodes. So let's jump into the tutorial. First things first, we have the default cube in the scene, then hit the new button as shown here. So just zoom in, bring up this to GeoNodes group input and group output. Shift A, I'm gonna be searching for a string to curve node as shown here. Let's retype string to curve node. I think that's it. String to curves. So just drag it between these two nodes. Then connect it to the group output as shown here in our tutorial. Shift A, I'm gonna be searching for the value to string node, just like this. Let's connect it to the string to string as shown here in our tutorial, and you can see something else going on in the scene as shown here. We have this number. It's pretty amazing. Then let's try to increase or decrease that value, and you can see that value is going to change as shown here. So let's see how to make this number is gonna be changing like a clock or something like that is going to count up or count down. I'm gonna be connected to another node called the scene time node. Shift A, I'm gonna be searching for scene time node as shown here. So bring it into this editor. So just I'm gonna be connecting the seconds to the decimals as shown here, to value not decimals. Just I'm gonna be setting decimals to 2, just like this. Then you can see something is going on in the scene as shown here. As shown here in our tutorial, go into timeline editor as shown here and hitting. Just you can hit the spacebar, it's gonna be playing the animation and going to count up as shown here. To stop it, click again the spacebar editor. So in order to fill faces and filling up those gap as shown here between those curves, creating numbers, just search for fill curve and bring it in between. It's gonna be filling those gaps as shown here. And let's play it again as shown here, and you can see the animation is playing and those numbers is going to count up as shown here. Hit the spacebar again in order to stop it. So let's see how to put a limit or how to limit time to, for example, 10 seconds. Just I'm gonna be using the clamp node. Shift A, search for the clamp node as shown here, hit and drag it between the sections. So let's see which value we should set as a maximum value. For example, maximum value is 8, for example. Hit 8. The minimum value is for example 1. So let's play the animation again and see if that is going to stop when we get to this number 8, and that's it. It's gonna be counting from the minimum value, which is 1, to the maximum value, which is 8, as shown in our tutorial, and that's it. Leave a comment and tell me everything you can't understand. That's it. Thanks for watching.